Hey there, fellow animal lovers. Welcome back to another episode filled with joy and warmth. Today I've got something truly special for you, a compilation of the most heartwarming acts of kindness from our furry friends. These moments are sure to bring a smile to your face and maybe even a tear to your eye. You won't believe just how compassionate these animals can be. Their actions often remind us of the simple yet profound power of kindness. First up, we have a golden retriever named Max. Max is not just any dog, he's a hero in his own right. Max is the ultimate good boy. His gentle nature and loving heart make him a favorite in his neighborhood. Here he is helping his little puppy friend climb up the stairs. It's a small act, but it means the world to the little pup. Look at that patience and care. Max waits so patiently, ensuring his friend makes it up safely. It's like he's saying, "Don't worry, buddy, I've got your back." Such a beautiful display of friendship and support. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? Moments like these remind us of the goodness in the world. Next, we have a surprising duo, a cat named Whiskers and a parakeet called Blue. Their friendship defies all odds. You'd think these two would be natural enemies, right? But nope, they've formed an unbreakable bond. Watch as Whiskers gently nudges Blue's cage door open so he can join the family for dinner. It's a gesture of trust and love, and there they are, sharing a meal. It's a sight to behold, proving that friendship knows no boundaries. Who said cats and birds can't be friends? Their bond is a testament to the power of love and acceptance. Now let's switch gears and hop over to the Australian outback. Meet Joey the kangaroo, a true hero in the wild. Joey noticed that one of his mates was stuck in a fence. His quick thinking and bravery are truly inspiring. Without a moment's hesitation, this gentle giant used his strong legs to pull the fence apart, freeing his friend. Just pure, unselfish kindness. It's moments like these that show the true spirit of animals. And speaking of unlikely friendships, check out this footage of a dolphin and a dog. Their story is nothing short of miraculous. The dog, named Buddy, fell off a boat into the water. Panic set in, but help was on the way. Before the owners could even react, a nearby dolphin swooped in, guiding Buddy back to the boat. It's a rescue mission that could rival any Hollywood script. It's like something straight out of a movie. The bond between these two is simply magical. Back to our domestic buddies. Here's a clip of a cat named Luna, who noticed that her dog friend Charlie was feeling under the weather. Luna's empathy is truly touching. Watch as Luna brings over Charlie's favorite toy and snuggles up next to him. It's her way of saying, "I'm here for you no matter what." It's like she's saying, "I'm here for you." Such a simple act, yet it speaks volumes about their bond. So much love in such a small package. Their friendship is a beautiful reminder of the power of compassion. And who could forget about our farm friends? Their stories are just as heartwarming. Here's a piglet named Penny who's become best pals with a lamb called Larry. Their friendship is the epitome of joy. They do everything together, from playing in the mud to taking naps in the barn. Their bond is unbreakable. Just look at them sharing that cozy blanket. It's moments like these that warm our hearts. If that's not friendship goals, I don't know what is. Their story is a testament to the beauty of companionship. Finally, let's end with a tale of wild compassion. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us. A herd of elephants noticed a baby elephant stuck in a ditch. Their teamwork and determination are awe-inspiring. One by one, they work together to lift the baby out. Using their trunks and sheer determination, it's a powerful display of unity and care. The joy on that baby's face once he's free, absolutely priceless. It's a moment of pure happiness and relief. So, there you have it. Animals are capable of incredible acts of kindness just like us. Their stories inspire us to be better, to show more compassion in our own lives. Want more heartwarming stories like these? We've got plenty more to share. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Stay connected with us for more amazing tales. Thanks for watching, and remember, kindness is universal. Let's spread it far and wide. Click to subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing animal stories. Your support means the world to us.